It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. I am going to talk about laundry products at Bath and Body Works. Finally, this has been like front and center at Bath and Body Works like for 2 days now. And I am so grateful to one of my viewers, Nicole. She sent me these beautiful photos. I am going to put one up right here. Check out what the laundry detergent looks like in her store. So it looks like a handful of stores were picked to have the laundry detergent in store. Because right now it's only online only. But I gotta say, these bottles are beautiful. I like the way they look. And while I'm not totally sure about it, a lot of people are buying laundry detergent because it seems like it's like selling out. So there's actually two products. Look at this wall, by the way. Is this not gorgeous? There is a laundry detergent and a fragrance booster. And then I'm not sure what is in those bins. Oh, they're wool dryer balls. I'm like, okay, that's new. Wool dryer balls. Okay, so we got some other stuff. So I did go ahead today and order the fragrance booster because I debated. I'm like, do I get the laundry detergent? Do I get the fragrance booster? I mean, they're $19 and I should have ordered it, of course, when it was $11. They did like a preview, but I didn't. So I ended up getting champagne toast in the fragrance booster. Now, online in the laundry detergent, it says these are for high efficiency, septic safe, and let me go to the product. Like I said, I got the champagne toast. Oh, come on. Why isn't the site loading, you guys? There we go. Maybe not. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. It says usage. Squeeze the sides of the cap, twist to open, follow label care instructions, test for color fast on inside seam. Using cap fill to line 1 for a small load or line 2 for a large load. I probably will get one of these eventually because I just want to like try it. I'm a little nervous because I'm really set on my laundry detergent, but the curiosity is really getting to me. So I may try one. I wish they had strawberry pound cake. In the laundry detergent, they have champagne toast, mahogany teakwood, which I think would be awful, cactus blossom. Let's see, what are the other ones? Why can't I get to the other ones? Come on here. Okay. It's so weird the way they have this like laid out. There's a lot of, wait a minute, are they sold out? No. This can't be. Okay. Where have I been? Okay, I'm going to go into, on top, there's a button that says laundry care. I'm going to go to laundry detergent now. Okay, here's the rest of them. They cannot be all sold out. Sun-drenched linen, no. Sunshine day, maybe. I almost got lavender vanilla. That was the other one, but I'm like, I'm going to stick with champagne toast, cozy cashmere, 1,000 wishes, eucalyptus mint, white tea and sage, sunwashed santal, pineapple mango, ocean, bergamot waters, amber blush, morning rain, palo santo, and fresh blue sky. That's a lot of laundry detergent. I mean, it's huge. And I don't know. I just like, I have such mixed feelings about this laundry care. And maybe people are loving it. I don't even know. You know, are there any reviews for this stuff, by the way? Or is anyone reviewing it? 28 reviews on the champagne toast. Okay, love it. A must have. Okay. I'm seeing some reviews here where they absolutely love it. Let's see. It's okay. Disappointed. For the most part, it's getting pretty decent reviews. Okay, maybe people really want their laundry to smell like their Bath and Body Works scents. I don't know. Okay, so then we have the fragrance boosters. The fragrance boosters come in the same scents. I think there's a couple of different ones. It says, squeeze the sides of the cap. Again, using the cap, fill the fragrance booster bead to the line for regular size loads prior to starting the wash. Okay, wait a minute. Did I need to buy the laundry detergent with the fragrance booster? I might have. However, I do use fragrance-free Tide, so I might be able to use the fragrance booster with my current laundry detergent. Um, Pour fragrance booster beads on top of the clothes. Do not put them in the liquid dispenser or the dryer. You know, I think there's a lot of confusion on these. That's another thing. It's like, I have no idea how to use these. Let's see, there's a pineapple mango, not quite as many in the booster beads. So, what's interesting to me about this is one of two things is going on. Either a lot of people really want laundry detergent in these booster beads, which is perfectly feasible, or it's just kind of go away. I'm actually surprised the Bath and Body Works went the laundry detergent route, and there had been some market testing behind this. I can't imagine they would have done this without market testing. A couple of different things that I would love to see from Bath and Body Works. I'd like to see more bubble bath. I like a good bubble bath. I'd like to see women's deodorant. I'm using Manhattan Nightcap right now because I love it so much, but I would love a strawberry pound cake deodorant. I would love that. I don't know why we don't have deodorant for the women. I would also love to see the wax melts come back at Bath & Body Works. We used to have wax melts. They got rid of them. I have no idea why they got rid of them, but that seems to be a little bit more in the genre of the candle. So I'm not really sure, like I said, why they decided to bring laundry detergent into the Bath & Body Works mix. It's still kind of a mystery to me because that is definitely going more of like a cleaning product as opposed to a bath and body product. But you know what? If people like it, I don't know. I'm getting it. I'm going to smell it. I'm going to look at the bottle. I'm going to try it out. I'll let you guys know. But thank you again so much to Nicole for sending me these pictures because I got to say, they look beautiful. That's the other thing. This looks like it takes up a lot of room in the stores. Is that going to be something a lot of stores can maintain? I don't know. So there's a lot of Scooby-Doo mysteries going on around the laundry detergent and the fragrance beads. So I just thought I'd share my thoughts on that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.